Well, good day. This is going to be a quick video on how to arrange objects on top of each other. Let's look at the example. Here's the simple one. It just says put the $100 bill on top of the $50 bill. So what you do is it's very easy. Just click the $100 bill, and then on the Home tab under Arrange, you can say I want to bring it to the front. I want to take the $100 bill and I want to bring it to the front, and then poof, it's in the front. That's all there is to it. Now I guess you could have done the same thing with the $50 bill. You could have just sent it to the back. Let's do that with the $100 bill. We'll just send it to the back. So we go here and it says send to back. Well, just as simple as that. I mean, you couldn't get much easier than that. Let's look at a little more complex example, although it couldn't be too much more complex. It says put the Hamilton picture between the $100 bill and the $50 bill. So what I might do is I'll click this Alexander Hamilton, and I'd be tempted to send it to the back. But now it's all the way in the back. I want it in between the $100 bill and the $50 bill. So maybe I'll just send it to the front. So give it a click and I'll say, well, maybe I'll just try send to front. And now it's in front of all three. So I don't want it to go all the way in the back. I don't want it to go all the way in the front. I just want to move it back a little bit. So that is send backward. Send backward means I'm going to go back one step. So I said send backward. And now I can see it's on top of the $50 bill, but it's underneath the $100 bill. So that's send backward. You can do the same thing with send forward. Maybe I'll take this $50 bill and I'll just send it forward. If I do that, it'll jump in front of the Alexander Hamilton, but it will not be all the way to the front in front of the $50 bill. So I'm going to say bring forward, and let's see what bring forward does. Well, there you go. It used to be behind the Alexander Hamilton. Now it's in front of the Alexander Hamilton, but it's not all the way on top. It's not on top of the $100 bill, so it's sort of in between. I just brought it forward. And that's about all there is to it. So you should play around with it. You need at least two objects in order to arrange so that one can be in front and one can be in the back. Play around with it, and that's about all there is to it.